Hey everybody, welcome back to Laser Engraving 911. Hope you're staying warm out there this winter. But listen, the reason I'm on here today is because I wanted to tell you about an event that I personally get excited about attending every year, and that's the APA show, or the APA Expo, that happens in Las Vegas. And this year it's happening on February 24th through the 27th. And I want to be right up front with you. This is not a paid promotion. This is just me telling you why I think the APA Expo is a great resource for anyone who's just starting their business, has an existing laser engraving business, or is in any kind of the personalization business industry. Let me tell you why. So I've been attending the APA show for many, many years, and let me tell you why. If you want to grow, if you want to sharpen your skills, and if you want to stop guessing at which business moves to do next in your business, then this is the show that you want to go to. Let me tell you a little bit about some of the educational classes. So when you go to the APA, after you've become a member, you get access at this show over a 3-day period of tons of different classes. Whether you're into UV printing, whether you want to sharpen up your light burn skills, whether you want to sharpen up your business skills when it comes to running your business, there are so many different ways to personalize things in the personalization industry, and all of the classes are here to help you grow and learn how to do just that. In fact, I'll be teaching again this year, but this year it's not just going to be about Adobe Illustrator and my tips and tricks. I'm also going to be bringing in the use of AI and generating artwork, preparing artwork to make your life easier when it comes to running your engraving business. And I hope that I'll see some of you there. So of course, the other exciting part of going to the Awards and Personalization Expo is that after you're done with the classes, you get to go out to the showroom floor. And this is one of the coolest parts of the expo. At the showroom floor, you'll get to meet tons of vendors face to face, touch products that you've only seen online, meet manufacturers that make the machines that you need to run your business, and probably get a bunch of extra knowledge about how these processes work that you just can't get online. The expo floor is always filled with new vendors. Every time I go to the expo floor, I'm always learning something new, and it's one of the funnest parts about the APA Expo. Between the educational classes, the expo floor, you'll also get to network with other people in your industry and brainstorm and meet other people that you have maybe seen online, ask them questions. It really is an amazing community of makers, business owners, and creators. And there's no better place for you to put yourself out there and put yourself first. So if there's anything I want you to take away today from this short little talk, is that I really want to encourage you to invest in yourself. You're not investing in me, you're investing in yourself by attending educational trade shows like the APA Expo and becoming a member of the APA. And let me tell you, if you're wondering how much this is or how much these tickets are, the best way to do it is to become an APA member today. Because if you go and buy the classes individually and you buy an entry ticket to just go to the show and don't become an APA member, the cost is way higher. But when you become an APA member, there's a link in the description below on how you can do this. You automatically get access to the show and the educational classes minus the hands-on workshop. Those are still a la carte, but you can save so much money by just becoming a member and then paying your dues once a year. I also have a discount code that the APA gave me to share with you, and I'll link that in the description as well. That will get you $50 off your annual APA membership. So not only will you become a member and get access to all the other APA benefits like special discounts with vendors, the forums, and the other resources they have online, you'll get access to the show and all the educational classes. It's kind of a no-brainer. So listen, the show is in about a month, so you don't have much time left because you still got to get your hotel, your tickets, and all that stuff. And I would love to see all of you there, and we can grow and learn together at the show show just like I do every year. It's gonna be a great show this year, and I'm hoping to see you there. So until next time, I'll see you around on Laser Engraving 911.